Hey Divas and Divos, it's me, Juslonda. I'm laughing because I dropped stuff towards the end and like my train of thought went out the window. So stick to the end so you can see that because I'm not going to delete it. What you see is what you get on this channel. You hear me saying, just saying. So yes, this look is my Valentine's glamorized look. You only dress up for yourself. Men really just want the main course. Like they could care less that you look like this and you just give it all the goods. You could be giving them everything and they just be like, so you're gonna take this off for what? We were gonna what? Like they just don't care. So you're really dressing up for yourself. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm laughing because that was everything just went everywhere. So let me say hey to my new subscribers. Thanks for rocking with me. To my oldies and pagodies, thanks for staying and watching. And you know what? Come on, let's roll that beautiful baby footage. Alright, Divas and Divos, so for the sake of the video, what I have already done is dip my brows. I did my brows using the Gorton Cosmetics, black owned, brow gel. I also used the Colored Rain Rust, the Colored Rain Dusk color out of here to put in my brow, along with a red lip liner. Fenty concealers on the eye. Fenty Cocoa Naughty is in the crease for a backdrop, and then yeah, we're good. So I wanted to do something a little bit of a wing, a little bit of dramatic look, a little bit, not much. Take what you want from it. take what you want from it. But I do have my palette from McGrath. I believe it's the free one, and the Jackie Aina palette as well. So I'm gonna start out with the color Ginger and start building that up in my crease, giving a little more contrast. And I also taped my eye off. And I'm definitely going to wrap it around on that bone here and just make sure I get that color protruding out of it. Also, this color here is very more cocoa. Okay, so now what I want to do is start building up my neutrals, warms, things like that. So I'm going to go into Credit. And just keep that on the out part. Don't worry about how messy it's going to look. That's not our concern right now. And we're going to also follow that bone as well. And notice I've been holding my brushes up like this because I want to hug and curve. Make sure I get all that shape of my bone, giving that contour look almost. I want to take the black out of my McGrath palette and a smaller brush and just deepen this part of the eye, the outer V. Just a little, not much. And kind of bring it along the line of my lashes. And then I just want to make sure everything is all blended nicely. The color that I really want to put on my eye, I am so dying to put this color all over my eye, is this goldy color here. Oh, now I just want to make sure I kind of blend everything out. So I'm just taking the color that I had my bronzer on and just blend, soften up my edges there. That's cute. What I also want to do is take some of that Shazam and put that like right in the center. Gonna take the black out of here and just kind of go along the lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna come back, put on my base, and then we'll finish up this cute little Valentine look-ish, or what I'm going to let it be. Let me say that. Okay, so I have my base on, and I want to take, I'm gonna take ginger first. And just put that underneath the eye. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with credit and hit that lash line. Oh. And I'm just going to go back with ginger just to make sure it's peeking down at the bottom. Go back and forth in between ginger and credit, just making sure I got what I'm really looking for, which is a nice smoky under eye. I'm going to take Shazam and put that in the inner tear duct of my eye. And I'm going to brighten it up with Soul. Put some at the tip of of my nose there. Alright, so what I definitely want to do is throw my lash and stuff and come back, and then we can give you that finished look. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. On my face, I am testing out two products, so I'm not going to say about the base. However, the contour, it is a concealer from Juvia's Place, number 3. The bronzer is Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty. The blusher is Juvia's Place Saharan Volume 2, which is B, and a little bit of Lena. For highlighter, I actually have Juvia's Place blusher number 1 in Zara, and I have Abby as a contour color. For lip, I did use the Gordon Cosmetics lip liner, the color brown. The lipstick base is actually Profits. Is it? I feel like that's a lie. Nope, it is Profits. Profits, and on top of that is Juvia's Place Barely There. The lashes for my demos. And Yes. So this look, let me grab this mirror here. And yes, I did put on a little bit of something, because you know, I'm just doing this for myself. My husband is not going to really care about this. See, he wants the main course. Skip every else course. He just wants the main course. But this look, I thought it was cute. I thought it was something, a little bit of smoky, a little bit of dramatic, you know, just a little bit of something for Lover's Day. You know what I'm saying? Not everything has to be pink or red. However, I was going to do that. But my girl Vanessa Herring, she took care of that. So I'll link her channel below so you can look at her look. And I just thought I would just do more of a neutral glittery look. So yeah, Divas and Divos, this is it. I hope you like this this look. I don't know what I was going to say. I really had a train of thought and it just bleh on out. But this, y'all seen this in another haul that I had, Juvia's Place, not Juvia's Place, oh my gosh, Fashion Over haul. And then this came from Amazon. Yeah. So thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. About to drop my mirror. Peace and peace. Bye.